Hey guys, happy weekend and welcome to another video. If you're new here, hey, I am Shakay.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
So guys, I'm doing a weekend vlog. So we're just starting off this weekend vlog very chill. It is a very realistic vlog. You know, I always do realistic vlogs, so pretty much I don't fake it to make views or whatever. I do like my real life. So yeah, anyways, so it's the weekend and I started off by doing my laundry. We have been having water problems because Jamaica issue. We always not have no water. Government tell me what keep away. Anyways, so we always not have the water. We finally got some water. Think some earlier in this week, but my sister, my mom and dad clothes were being washed. So today, so much clothes I did have. It was a lot because I think the last time I washed, I couldn't wash like everything because there was also no water, so I washed like some and leave the rest. Yeah, so anyways, that's what has been happening. But anyways, just wanna, you know, share this weekend with you guys. It's nothing special. I'm not going anywhere, just like a normal weekend. So right now I'm finished washing, so I'm gonna freshen up and then I'm gonna go over to church before them finish practice. They're supposed to have practice because we have harvest on Sunday, so they're supposed to be practicing. So we're going to head over there at the moment. Then I don't know what else for the rest of the weekend. We'll just do it as time goes by. Update guys, so before me even left my outer door, my sister reached practice done. So I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Chill
to watch inside
and find what we eating for dinner, sweet.
I have no idea. I'm not even hungry. So you sit front left right front.
I'm not hungry yet, but I know I'm hungry.
Planting and pork.
Alright guys, so we're gonna chill right now. And then later on we'll pick up the vlog. Yeah. Good morning guys, it is Saturday. As you guys can see, it is morning, so obviously it's Saturday. Anyways, it's Saturday morning and I woke up, did my to-do list for today, and now I'm going to start doing some of this stuff. So first I'm going to start by stripping my bed. I need to take down the curtains. I'm actually still tired. I look tired, come feel tired. But I want to push through because I have so much stuff to do today. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Well, I didn't do much yesterday, so hope you guys will enjoy the rest of the vlog.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me.
Okay, so I'm gonna spray my pillow and my puppy using this spray right here. It's the Febreze Unstoppable Touch fabric spray. And then I'm gonna put them out in the sun so that them can get little fresh breeze. I'm almost out. You're done.
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, like the top down. Oh, there's nothing more.
But you call me by my name.
And so I chose these purple curtains. So yes, finally took down my Christmas curtains. Took a while, like a while. Anyways, I'm still trying to figure out what I want to put on my bed. I mean, I figured that out yet. But yeah, let's continue.
The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you.
Alright guys, done with this section. Didn't turn out too bad, you know, but yeah. So bed is made. Curtain up. I will straighten up over this side, wipe and clean up. Yeah. Now that's
no more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus.
Okay, so just want to update you guys on what is happening. So I'm done folding and I'm just putting away the clothes. So that's what's happening right now. And right now I'm just also watching some YouTube. I'm watching Davida Jennings at the moment. So yes, that is the update. Oh yes, I did wash my blanket and it is dry. Because of all the breeze I keep out the door, I wash it and it dry like in a less than like 50 minutes. But I left it out for quite some while so it could, you know, well dry. So yeah, clean blankets, clean sheets. I'm gonna enjoy my sleep tonight. Like, clean room. Oh, I'm never showing the dresser. So this is what I came up with. I switched this, come over here because I don't know why, just wanted to switch it up. And put my brushes in the middle, have my skincare over here, and then my perfumes and body care stuff over here. Then the jewelry is over this side. Alright, and my bestie right here, and my follow your dreams right there. Yeah. Alright, so that's that. Basket is finally empty. So just want to update you guys. So after I'm done here, cool off a little, then I'm going to go and wash my hair and see if we can start it. If not, I'm gonna start my mom's and do mine. I'm not even know if I'll do mine tomorrow because, as I said, I have harvest tomorrow, so I don't know how much of anything I can do. Good thing I already ironed, so I already ironed for the week, so I'm not worried about that. That was a much needed bath. I needed that. Anyways, so I'm back out of the bath, people. That was well, I haven't had one of those baths in like a while because honestly I've been getting up very late like the past few days because your girl just in a one lazy era. And I think I just came up with the title for this video, exiting my lazy girl era, because I've been there. I've been in that era like too long. And then alright guys, excuse my always bad lighting in my room when it come on tonight, but yes, just want to update you guys. I'm doing my hair. I just did one so far. I'm using the where is the thing? Oh, here it is. So I'm using this here Afro Kinky, we call it realistic Afro Kinky bulk here. So yeah, trying to twist out my hair. Gonna do that. It's short, so I'm guessing it won't take so long. So let's see.
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah. When I'm with you, you got me feeling like I'm soaring high above the clouds. High above the clouds. I know you're coming. He's coming back. Time is of the essence. Gotta get it right now. When you try to teach me, oh yeah, I should have learned my lessons, but I'm gonna get it right.
Hi guys, I'm done. This is the hair. I slap dash it. Yes, as per usual. But just camera. Anyways, this is it. Yeah. This. That's her. Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday morning. We're up. That was a good sleep, honestly. I didn't know I was gonna sleep that well, honestly. So here's the rundown. So last night, I think I was showing you guys like some flashing light thingy. So there was a wildfire kind of ish close by to me. So my father went down there like probably about after 7 in the evening, and then he went to look at it. He went like literally very close to it, and then so I opened the door to look, and when I look, it's like the fire did a blaze up. It looked like it was blazing up from here, right? So we went down there. Apparently it was actually not blazing up, but the fire truck was actually putting it out. Although it never fully put out. So I didn't know if I was gonna be able to sleep tonight, because me have anxiety and something like that would have made me not sleep. So I was surprised that I actually slept, but I guess probably because I was very tired. But anyways, when I lay down last night, I did hear like the truck came back, so it went for water and come back. So I'm really hoping nobody's house or anybody's property got destroyed too much. But these wildfires though, guys, y'all need to stop. It's like yesterday was so windy. So something like that, one fire should I never. We did a plan to start one fire yesterday. I said, because it was so windy. So something like that can actually get out of hand. But nobody's perfect. Things happen. But I'm sorry for the person who did start the fire, honestly, because it must feel that way. Anyways, I'm up. It's after 7, so I'm gonna get ready for church at the moment. So yeah. Oh, my blue lights are on, guys. I turned them on yesterday. It's to match the vibe of my room. So I have purple and I have blue over there. So it's to match the vibe of my room. Anyways, so yeah, let's get ready for church. Alright, that's the outfit for today. We're gonna accessorize, and I think I'm just gonna wear my slipper, but yeah, we're gonna accessorize. Alright guys, so I am ready for church. Got on this black blouse and this skirt with my slippers. Gonna try and eat breakfast. It's like 8:21 right now, and I need to be over church by about 8:45 or 8:50. So yeah, kinda run late. So soon later. So this is what the damage is so far for the harvest, guys. Yeah, them all took up a spot. Man, what is still? Yeah. Hey guys, just a bit of updates. I got back from church, and I was showing you guys earlier that I found a book. So my mom said she got 3 of these books from, I think, one of my aunts. So I'm gonna be starting with this one, The Death of a Witch. It's a MC Beaton. So it's a Macbeth murder mystery. So yeah, also updates. My toothache came. So I have the wisdom tooth that are not yet up, and earlier this year, or I think last year, this side came up, like the pain, and I went to the dentist and got some medication for it, and I got how much they said to take it out. What heap of money? Like 100,000. What heap of money? So I was supposed to check with another dentist to see if it's the same thing or if it's cheaper. Tell me why I did not. And right now the other side is here paining me. So this side, I don't know if it's swell yet or something, but inside swell. So pain I'll leave me. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready now to go to harvest. So that's what's gonna happen.
There is abundance in your garden because you reap what you sow.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme.
Yeah, we're going to do that in a vlog. Right in a vlog.
You understand me?
Alright guys, we are back home. It was a good day. I have to say it was a good day. So yes, got a few stuff, enjoyed myself, and so gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.